In Laredo where the sun sets wide, the Epstein family's name stands high. For nearly a century they've been true, a cornerstone in every town, in every view. Doc Jack's legacy, a story so grand, found you in every word, in every land. Creativity and enthusiasm, their guiding light, building trust, making dreams take flight. Epstein's Rock, it never